What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to do an unboxing of these new color contacts that I got from my favorite brand, Hapa Kristin. I'm so loyal to this brand because I've tried literally every Asian color contact lens brand under the sun, and my favorite hands down has to be Hapa Kristin, just because they're so natural and they accommodate to my prescription because I'm blind as fuck. So I have -8. Bitch, that's a lot. That's really
not good.
But I'm currently wearing my favorite color from them. It's called...
Boy, if you don't...
I'm currently wearing my favorite color contacts from them called Teatime Kristin. I'm just gonna show you guys just while I have you. But I love these because they're so natural, if you can tell. They're like pretty much my eye color, except the diameter is a little bigger. So they do kind of give an enlarging effect, which is what I like personally. It's because it's really cute. So let me just open this. I have 2 boxes here. The colors that I got, this first one is Teatime Kristin, and then I have Sugar High Kristin, and these are 1-day contacts. So I'm going to show you guys side by side how they all look. This is the first one. This is Teatime Kristin. But yeah, natural eye on the right, see the crystal on the left. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay guys, I want to show you how these look up close. Very cute. I like how they're just super natural. And these are the 2 side by side. So Teatime and Sugar High Kristin. Okay, I also really like these just because I like the outer like ring, how it's like kind of defined. Okay, and this is Ash Coco. So that's the color for this style of Sugar High Kristin. But they're really milky, I want to say. All of them, I have to say my favorite have to be the Sugar High Kristin. It's because like I don't have any contacts like this. I want to say it's more on the gray side, but I feel like they look still very natural but different. I feel like I've been so used to like the brown look, which is still really cute and fun, but like I really am feeling these, and they are daily. So if you're like me and you like lose your contacts a lot, like if you lose like your 1 month, bitch, you're done. You're done for the month. So these, they're daily. They cover you for 10 days. I make it last for 20. So contacts are expensive, but Hapa Kristin I feel are very affordable for the quality, and like they don't feel any different from regular clear soft contacts. I think they feel, if not almost exactly the same, but yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like content like this, please let me know down below, or if you have any suggestions. I'd love to try new things, try new contacts for you guys, or any new makeup trends, whatever you guys want. Thanks again so much for watching, you guys, and I hope to see you on the next one.